For today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng account dito kay Binance. Ituturo ko din sa inyo kung paano kayo ma-verify dito, kaya kung wala pa kayong Binance account, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we start, kung bago ka pa lang dito, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to get notified in every video we upload like this. So before we create an account, alamin muna natin kung sino nga ba si Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. Meaning Binance is a crypto wallet like Coinbase, MetaMask, at madami pang iba. Sasabi nila largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading. Ibig sabihin sobrang daming traders ang gumagamit nito. So bakit nga ba madami? The reason why is dahil sobrang liit lang ng transaction fee at hindi limited yung mga crypto coins na pwede nating i-trade. Para makagawa tayo ng account dito, first is pumunta muna tayo sa ating Play Store, then install lang natin si Binance. After ma-install, open agad natin yan. As you can see, meron dalawang option to create an account. Pwede natin gamitin ang ating mobile number or phone o kaya naman ang ating Gmail account. For the sake of this video, ang gagamitin ko ay ang aking Gmail account. So, click lang natin yan. Then we choose an account. Tapos, click lang natin itong agree and share to proceed. Ayan, tapos na tayong gumawa ng account. Next step naman is to get verified. So, click lang natin itong verify now. So, meron ditong tatlong IDs na pwede natin i-present para ma-verify tayo. Una ay yung ID card like Election Voters ID, UMID, Postal ID, SSS ID, AEP, ACR at PhilHealth. Pwede din naman ang passport at driver's license which is recommended ni Binance. So bali pipili lang tayo dito sa tatlo kung ano yung available valid ID na meron tayo. PhilHealth card yung gagamitin ko. So bali i-click ko lang yung first option. Then click lang natin itong continue. Then continue ulit. Tapos dito guys, need natin picturean yung front and back side ng ID natin. After that is i-click nyo na itong continue. Restricted kasi guys yung paggamit ng screen recorder, kaya hindi ko siya mapapakita sa inyo. Basta sundin nyo na lang yung mga pinapagawa, then after that i-review nila yun para ma-verified ka na. So kung PC or laptop naman kayo gagawa ng Binance account, is i-search nyo lang ang binance.com. Then click registered na makikita nyo dito sa upper right. May tatlong option dito para makagawa ng account. Phone or Gmail, Gmail account at ang ating Apple account. So pipiliin ko lang ulit dito ang ating Gmail account. At ito yung makikita nyo. Sa referral ID option na lang. After that, put a check dito sa agreements, then click confirm. So guys, tapos na yung unang step natin which is to create an account. Next step naman natin is to verify our identity. Bali, i-click lang natin itong verify now. Click continue. Dito sa personal information, dito sa nationality, click lang natin itong small triangle, then select Philippines. Tapos ilagay lang natin ang informations na hinihingi, like ating first name, last name, middle name at date of birth. Reminder lang guys na all of the information must be 100% accurate or 100% true identity natin dahil Binance is a legitimate crypto wallet. They have a strong security. Once you put a wrong information at nagka-problema sa Binance account mo, mahirapan ka in the future. Like for example, madami nang ganap yung Binance account mo. Then nahack siya at nagkataon na wrong info yung nilagay mo. So 90% mahirapan ka nang ma-retrieve yan. Even sa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform we are using, once na nagka-problema, real identity, agad yung hinihingi nila. Not just here in Binance guys, kahit sa ang legitimate or e-wallet or crypto wallet man yan, dapat laging 100% accurate yung info na ilalagay natin. Pero ingat-ingat lang din sa mga nag-ooperate ng mga fake at scam wallet kasi hindi naman lahat safe. Please do your own research for your safety. Okay, balik na tayo sa main topic natin. After nating ilagay lahat ng information natin is i-click na natin itong continue. So same step lang guys nung nasa mobile, pili lang tayo ng ID na meron tayo. Much better kung meron kayong driver's license. Recommended kasi nila yan. Sa tingin ko, if driver's license yung gagamitin nyo, is madali kayo mabe-verify dahil yun yung recommended nila. Pag nakapili na kayo, click na natin itong continue. Then, continue ulit. So, same lang din yung process sa mobile. Need lang natin picturean ng live ang front at back side ng ating mga ID. Mas madali ito kung meron kayong webcam para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pagkuha ng angle. Kung camera lang ng laptop yung gagamitin nyo, lalo na't malabo, is mahirapan kayo. Like in my case, hindi ako makapag-picture dahil naka-fix na yung camera. Then, may ipa-flash na lang akong video galing mismo kay Binance para makatulong sa inyo.
How to complete identity verification. What is identity verification? Identity verification, or Know Your Customer (KYC), is designed to protect users' accounts against the misuse of financial accounts such as fraud, corruption, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Why do I need to complete identity verification? Binance requires users to complete identity verification to increase their account security. You can enjoy a higher limit of your Binance account after verifying. How to complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center Identification. Here, you can see Verified, Verified Plus, and Enterprise Verification and their respective deposit and withdrawal limits. The limits vary for different countries. You can change your country by clicking the button next to Residential Country Region. Click Start Now to verify. Select your country of residence. Please ensure that your country of residence is consistent with your ID documents. You will then see the list of verification requirements for your specific country or region. Click Continue. Enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your document. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you're using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back page of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to the QR code on the bottom right to complete the verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish the face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. Secure your Binance account today to enjoy higher limits.
At ayun nga guys, ganun lang yung gagawin natin to create a Binance account. I hope na nakatulong to at sana madami kayong natutunan. Share this video para mas madami pa tayong tao matulungan about earning money online. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload natin like this. If you have questions, feel free to message me on our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group para makasama mo yung mga taong kagaya natin na gusto din kumita ng pera online. Pwede din kayo dun mag-share ng inyong journey, ideas, experience, and also if you have a business about earning money online, pwede nyo din dun i-share para mas madami pa din tayong matulungan. Make sure lang na legit yan. And guys, that's all for today. See you on our next video. Thank you for watching and see you on top.